Here we are now at the end of the first module on the general presentation of protected areas and on a few essential concepts for a good understanding of those territories. The key points that we have addressed this week are the following. First off, there are more and more protected areas, and they are more and more diverse. From a few ones in the dawn of the 20th century, they are now more than 200,000, all kinds of them, big and small, forests, mountains, marines, and deserts. This diversity is their strength, but requires more skills from their managements and more efforts to conserve them. Those protected areas are indispensable tools for nature conservation. And even if they do not always halt the decline of the biodiversity of the planet, they are part of the solution that will eventually help us achieve this, and, as such, they deserve our full attention. However, they are evolving and turning more and more towards the inclusion of local populations and the production of related natural services. All territories called protected areas have something in common: the reason why they exist, the conservation of nature. There are many other territories that can contribute to protect the environment. But the specificity of protected areas is that this is their main purpose. It is somehow their trademark. Finally, to help us better understand and identify them, those protected areas are grouped into 6 categories, based on their primary objective of management. For Category 1, what prevails is nature protection. For Category 2, it's to preserve nature in organizing activities like tourism, research, or education. Category 3 aims at conserving a natural monument, like a cave or a mountain. In Category 4, we actively manage the environment to maintain a particular environment or a species. Category 5 is interested in preserving a landscape, an ecosystem that has been shaped by man. Finally, Category 6 allows for the sustainable use of natural resources for the benefit of populations. These categories range from a very strict preservation of ecosystems to the sustainable use of resources that accommodate many interventions of man. But the first intention is always the conservation of nature. There you have it. You can now start the homework of this module.